So now we will discuss the summary of Chapter 6. Chapter 6, the Network Layer. So the Network Layer or OSI Layer 3 provides services to allow end devices to exchange data across the network. To accomplish this end-to-end transport, the network layer uses four basic processes. First is addressing end devices. End devices must be configured with a unique IP address for identification on the network. Encapsulation. The network layer encapsulates the protocol data unit or the PDU from the transport layer into a packet. The encapsulation process adds IP header information such as the IP address of the source or the sending and destination receiving hosts. So for the routing, the network layer provides services to direct packets to a destination host on another network. To travel to other networks, the packet must be processed by a router. The role of the router is to select the best path and direct packets toward the destination host in a process known as routing. The packet may cross many intermediary devices before reaching the destination host. Each router a packet crosses to each the destination host is called a hop. The encapsulation. When the packet arrives at the network layer of the destination host, the host checks the IP header of the packet. If the destination IP address within the header matches its own IP address, the IP header is removed from the packet. After the packet is encapsulated by the network layer, the resulting layer for PDU is passed up to the appropriate service at the transport layer. Unlike the transport layer, OSI Layer 4, which manages the data transport between the processes running on each host, network layer protocols specify the packet structure and processing used to carry the data from one host to another host. Operating without regard to the data carried in each packet allows the network layer to carry packets for multiple types of communication between multiple hosts. Network layer protocols. There are several network layer protocols in existence. There are only two network layer protocols that are commonly implemented. It is the Internet Protocol version 4 or IPv4 and Internet Protocol version 6 or IPv6. Encapsulating IP. IP encapsulates the transport layer segment or other data by adding an IP header. This header is used to deliver the packet to the destination host. The IP header remains the same from the time the packet leaves the source host until it arrives at the destination host. The process of encapsulating data layer by layer enables the services of the different layers to develop and scale without affecting the other layers. This means the transport layer segments can be readily packaged by IPv4, IPv6, or by any new protocol that might be developed in the future. Routers can implement these different network layer protocols to operate concurrently over a network. The routing performed by these intermediate devices only considers the contents of the network layer packet header. In all cases, the data portion of the packet, that is the encapsulated transport layer PDU, remains unchanged during the network layer processes. So for the characteristics of IP. IP was designed as a protocol with low overhead. It provides only the functions that are necessary to deliver a packet from a source to a destination over an interconnected system of networks. The protocol was not designed to track and manage the flow of packets. These functions, if required, are performed by other protocols at other layers, primarily TCP and Layer 4. So now we are done for the chapter 6 summary. Thank you for watching.